A case that we took over from one of the firms that you see all over the billboards. We got in, we evaluated it, we analyzed it, we saw all of the things that the other firm had not done that to us are really just fundamental stuff that we do in every case. And so we quickly got those things done, and within 3.5 months, we had settled that case for over 3 times the offer that was on the table from the insurance company when we first got it. My first job out of law school was actually working for a special purpose law firm that was set up to help small businesses who had been affected by the BP oil spill. Fighting against BP, I think that I learned when you're fighting against a big corporation like that or an insurance company, you need to be on top of your game in everything that you do. They have really, really good lawyers. If you're not on top of your game, you could jeopardize your client's case.
After a terrible experience with one of the bigger firms who treated me like just a number, I came to Mitch and I felt like it was family. And any questions I had, he would always put me at ease, check in on me throughout the process. Just a great, great experience. Just never felt like a number, felt like an individual with him.
When I set out to start my own firm, I thought that there was a need for a firm that was always going to put the client first, always communicate with the client, and then also a firm that was going to do the highest level legal work. My background in handling big complex cases puts me in a position now to bring that experience and that intensity and that sort of strategy to every single case that we take here at Chubb Law. And what that leads to are bigger results or bigger recoveries on a shorter timeline, which is ultimately the best thing for our clients.
He's very hardworking, very dedicated to his clients, and truly cares about his clients. For him, it's all about being a resource and a support for the client and making sure that they are getting well, doing everything efficiently and effectively.
So what stood out to me was just the level of care and how nurturing his entire staff were. We've seen big name law firms, and I've heard other people who have gone through a similar situation to where they're basically, another name on the list.
We care about their personal lives, their kids, grandkids, their relationships, just whatever they have going on.
When we're looking to expand our team here, of course we're looking for people who are really good at what they do, but also, and probably more important than that, is we want people who care about others and who are able to empathize with our clients.
I've done a lot of small things and big things that other law firms wouldn't do that I get to do and help clients with so that they just don't have to worry about it. Because I know if I was the client, I wouldn't want to worry about that when I'm just trying to go to the doctor.
Some days it felt like I was the only person that they were taking care of just because of the constant communication, whether it was through text message or email. It wasn't just a, hey, I'm checking on you and letting you know about this is what's going on in your case, but I would receive texts asking how I was doing, how my medical care was going.
Every client can text my personal phone. They have my number, they can call me. Some of them call me on Saturdays, that's okay. But I think that it's important that they feel like they have a direct line to me and not just somebody on the team, because I think I owe them that as their lawyer, and I want to develop a relationship with my clients. And so I feel like communication is the most important factor in that.